Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can undo actions and changes in Photopea.com. So let's get started. It is actually breathtakingly simple. So let's say, for example, let me place a text box like that here and enter a custom text like this. So what I would like to do, guys, is undo this action and get rid of that text, for instance. So this is how you can do it, guys. You can either click on the selection tool here at the top of the left sidebar, select the object or item in your image you would like to get rid of with your left mouse and press backspace on your keyboard. That's one option. Another option would be, guys, to simply click on edit here at the top and select undo redo from the drop down menu. Or alternately, guys, to make this even quicker, simply use the shortcut on your keyboard, Ctrl Z. So if you press Ctrl Z on your keyboard, the last action is going to be redone. And if you repeat this, it is going to delete or undo all previous actions one by one. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.